Dear fellow recruiters, welcome to a pretty new video, and this is Suman Pachigula on a mission to impact 5 million lives. In this video, you are going to find something very new information that I'm sure you never thought it. Alright, if you knew this, do not reveal. So here, what is that I have for you today? Before I give you all the information, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon if you have not subscribed to this channel yet. And if you are already subscribed, let's go now. Alright, so here I'm going to share some information with you, that is types of SSN number. What are the types of social security numbers that people in USA get? Isn't it a new information? Let's move. So according to the SSA, all right, Social Security Administration, there are 3 types of social security numbers issued to the people in US. So what are those types and who are going to get it? I'm going to share those information with you in a while. So let's understand what is the first type. The first type of SSN number is, what will be there? It will show your number on social security number and let you work without restriction. Meaning, we issue it to, so this is from the SSA, I pulled it, and it has been used to US citizens and people lawfully admitted to the United States on a permanent basis, meaning to the green card holders. So this type 1, we could say unrestricted SSN card, it allows the people to work wherever they want to any employer without having a government permission. Alright, this is basically for US citizens and green card holders. Let's move to the next one. This is a second type of SSN. So let's see what would be there on the SSN card. So here, along with your name and SSN number, the card will have this restriction. What will it have? Valid for work only with DHS authorization. What is DHS? DHS is Department of Homeland Security. Alright. So here we issue it to the people lawfully admitted to the United States on a temporary basis who have DHS authorization to work. Meaning this is used for the people who are coming to US for a temporary work basis like H1B, like L1. So those kind of people will get SSN number, and in the SSN card, it is mentioned there. So we can say it is a restricted. Okay. Next, what is the third type of SSN number? Are you enjoying so far? Let's wait and see what is there for you next. There's a third type of SSN card, and what it will say? It will have your name, social security number, and not valid for employment. So the card which has the type 3, that card will not allow that person to work anywhere else. So meaning, we issue it to people from other countries. So here, the US government issues this, SSA issues this card to the people from other countries who are lawfully admitted to US without work authorization, meaning because they are not there to work for some employer, all right, from DHS, but have a valid non-work reasons for needing a social security number. So here they are not in the US to work, but they have a reason why they should stay in the US. All right, the government will issue SSN 3 type 3 for those people and need a number because of a federal law requires a social security number to get a benefits or service. So when we say what benefits they are talking about, social security, meaning the US government gives a benefits, retirement, health, disability sort of benefits to the people who has the SSN card, or particularly used for not used for just for IRS or income tax purpose, but for people who use it to get social security benefits. All right, for those people it is allowed. So what sort of people it is? Like people for government, state, law department. If they need some people to come and work for them in US. So for those people, SSA approves this card and they will use it. So now let's look at how these cards will look like. All right. Here, this is what the card look like. So the type A will have your name and number. So no restriction. This person can work with any employer like a US citizen and green card holder. This is a type 2, meaning name, SSN number, and here is what it says the restriction valid for work only with DHS authorization for H1 and L1 sort of. Now here, this is the third type. This particular SSN won't allow this person to work for any employers, but they can get the social security benefits. All right. I hope it helped you. If you found it useful, do let me know in the comments and I'll get motivated with your comments and I'll get some more information like this. All right, guys. So here I welcome to my mission, to mission 5 million, and join me in my mission by subscribing to this channel, share, comment and like with other people. And till the time, take care and God bless. Bye-bye.